I'm filming you. But I have to get a good shot of you and the net. Okay.
Are you videoing it?
Yep. You show them what you got. Okay. Best 2 out of 3. No pressure. Nice. Nice, McGuire. Are you sure you play soccer? I mean basketball and not soccer? Oh, almost got the window. Okay. Yeah. Oh, brick.